I am just days away from going on vacation with my youngest daughter. And as we are getting ready to start packing up and go, my daughter's like, can I have a bathing suit cover up? And I was like, yeah, sure, no problem. She's like, I would like for you to make it. I like it when people ask me who made my outfit, and then I could say my mom. She knows how to get me every time. So, in my mind, I think it's just going to take a couple hours for me to whip up a bathing suit cover up. Probably going to take longer than that, but we're going to try to approach that. We're going to try to make that a priority, and we're going to try to make it happen because she's my girl. I love her so much. Might as well do whatever she wants. Don't tell her I said that. So we're going to be making a bathing suit cover up this video, and we're going to be packing up and getting ready for vacation. So I'm kind of like really excited about this, and I really want to take you along. So if you like beauty on a budget, looking like $1 million bucks, but not spending $1 million bucks, hit that subscribe button right now because this is your channel. I'm your girl. Let's just see what we can do. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Like, I have to take crochet with me on vacation. Oh, darn. That's not a bad thing at all. Let's go for it. Are 4 days away from our trip, and this is what I have so far for her bathing suit cover up. So I'm going to be just really working really hard to try and get this done before we start packing up. But yeah, it's looking really cute. It just takes time because it's, a lot of work, but it looks so good. Oh, she's going to look so cute in it. Okay, so don't judge. It is only 6 o'clock in the evening, and I am now nice and cozy in my bed, and I'm going to really work on this evening and see how far I can get. Let's see. Why don't we put a little stitch marker right here so we could see how many rows we can get before I go to bed. So I already did 1 or 2 before I started recording, but I'm just going to start from this one. So according to this right here, let's see. What time is it, guys? Hey Siri, what time is it? Siri doesn't want to talk to me. Not on my computer, not on my phone. All right. I'm going to say it's 6 o'clock because I think it's about 6 o'clock. We're going to see how far we can get into this skirt before it's bedtime. Here we go. Let's go. I took a little break for dinner, but it's now 7:20. So basically I crocheted for an hour, and from here's where I started, and I've got 10 rows. So it's getting bigger, and it still looks really cute. So I'm going to keep going. All right, it's 10:30. I'm getting ready to go to bed, but I was able to crochet for probably a total of another hour. I really got distracted with stuff that's going around our house, so I had to be mom for a little while. So being mom and wife took some time out of my crocheting, but I got 22 rows. It's looking pretty good. I would say it's probably mid-thigh length right now. I'm going to try to go a little longer. Okay, so I just measured this on my daughter, and I'm going to have to add more width to the netting all the way to the ends of these. So I've got probably a good, 3-4 inches width to add on both sides. Because when I measured it, I actually measured it around her widest part, her bootay. But when I was making The mesh, I went skinnier. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, back to the drawing board. See, this is the area I'm talking about. I need to make the mesh all the way out to the end, and then I'll add all the way down to here. And it is down to mid-thigh right now. So I'm going to start by just going back and adding the width before I do any more length. I've been able to do one side of the skirt. I kind of can see where I connected it, but I don't think once it's on, it's going to be an issue. And I'm working on the second portion right here. And I have about this much more to go, but I'm starting to lose brain power and I'm having a hard time focusing because it's like 9:30 at night, 9 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna put this down for the evening. Otherwise I know I'm gonna make more mistakes. I keep forgetting how I'm doing it. Getting tired. I wanted to show you what I just got. I got this beautiful, it's like a lap size blanket. It might be a little bit more. It's more like a twin size granny square crochet blanket. And I'm going to use it for a project in the future. But I wanted to show you it because I just picked it up off of Facebook Marketplace for 15 bucks. Isn't it cute? All right. Now let's go inside and you're going to come with me to TJ Maxx and we are going to get some tiny suitcases for our vacation. Can't wait. It is so cold in upstate New York right now. The wind, oh gosh, I hate it. But we're at TJ Maxx. Let's get inside, it's cold. I haven't been in here in a while, but I know I could get in trouble real quick because this all looks good and fun. There really aren't that many, and I don't have a measuring tape to measure what size. Yikes. Okay, let's figure this out. Oh, well, that's cute. I feel like these are the sizes. It's gonna hold nothing. That's kind of cool. Ooh, I don't like those colors. Okay, I think my daughter will like this one. It has a charging port on the side right there. It has 360 rotation, 70 bucks. But it's cute. All right, so that's one. I wish they had another one in a different color. If they had purple, she'd be all about it. Or nude. This is gonna be hers. Now I gotta find one for me. I found one in a different color. It's like a light silvery color, but it's the exact same design. I'm gonna check the zippers, make sure they all work. The zippers gotta work. We're gonna check all of them. I really want to buy everything in here. So unfortunately I came over to the makeup area and I got myself a new sleep mask and I got myself a little travel nail kit for my daughter and I. So yeah, this is the aisle where they get you. Yes, going to check out and all of these really cool things. This is where they get you every time. Look at this, look how cute. It's just tiny. Okay, Jody, stop it. I feel like I need something here, but I don't know what. Candles. I just got back from the salon because I wanted to get my hair done before vacation, but now it's time, it's crunch time. I have not packed anything. I've been working on projects, so I'm going to pack, and I'll show you what I did finish. I did finish Anissa's skirt, and it looks really cute. So here is her swim cover up. She actually liked the length. It went down to about mid-thigh, and I just did the extra panels on the side, and I made the wrap. So it's done. All the ends are weaved in, and now it's time to pack.
What are you doing?
I'm packing.
Packing for what?
The room's a mess. I apologize. Don't even look at that. But I am packing for our trip, our tropical vacation trip that we're not going to tell you where we're going because you're going to see that in the next video. But I haven't packed anything.
How about a little clue?
Tropical. I'm looking for a plug right now. I don't have to.
Is it in North America?
No.
Is it in South America?
Yes. No. Just leave me alone right now. I'm nervous. I got stuff to do.
Geography for dummies.
I am less than an hour away from having to get on the train to go down to New York City to get on our plane to go to our vacation. And I'm trying to finish up 2 items that I made. So I made this cute little bag, and I made this cute little bag with a bucket hat. But they need liners. Otherwise, they're going to stretch when I put the handles on them. So I'm going to quickly try to sew in some liners. And then if I have to, if I can't use my machine to sew them actually into the fabric, I'm going to have to hand sew them on the train. Say a prayer for me. This machine is not happy with me today. Anytime you are in a hurry, don't sew. Just take my advice. My needle just broke. And all I had to do was get up one side of this piece of fabric and then put the straps on it, and then I could be fine. I would just have to kind of stitch it into the bags. I'm just gonna take this stuff with me and deal with it on the train. I have 2.5 hours to sit around and do nothing, so hand sewing it is. Away, we're getting ready to go down to NYC. My hair looks like crazy. Look at me. It's just this. We're gonna have fun. You're smart, don't you? Little smarty pants, aren't you? Figured it out.
I would just run it outside his house.
Oh, it's for me to go figure it out.
What would be really good? What would be really good is get on one of those scooters that you're right on.
That's how I feel right now too. We're tired. It's only 9:30. Oh, look at the Rolex watch, okay? Rolex. It's been a very long day. We are exhausted, but we're on our way to our trip, right? It's gonna be fun.
Salvavidas se encuentran debajo o entre los asientos. Pongas el chaleco salvavidas